How can you make your QR code of your URL and share to others? So in this video I will show you how can you do that. So first of all, open any tab and type here www.tinywow.com. I'll share this link in description, you can check it out. So here you can see lots of things you can do. So for now in this video I'll show you how can you generate your QR code of your website or YouTube or anything you as you want. So for here I'll write here my URL. So I'll copy this my channel, sorry, and then just copy it and paste it here and click on generate, and it will ask to accept I'm not a robot, so I'll tick it. And here the QR code is generating. It takes some time, and you can see here the option is here download, and it is done. This is my YouTube URL QR code. I will download it and I can share to anyone. I can share this QR code and they can directly enter my YouTube channel. So I hope you can like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.